In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alerts on Tradingview. Alerts are a simple way to stay on top of price moves and indicator signals without staring at the chart all day. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create, customize, and manage alerts so you never miss what matters. Start by opening your chart. With the chart up, you have a few quick ways to create an alert. If you want to set one at a specific price, click the small plus button next to the price scale and choose Add Alert. This anchors the alert right where you need it, which is great for breakout levels or key support and resistance zones. You can also use the top toolbar. Click the bell icon labeled Alert to open the customization window. This route is handy when you want full control over the details from the start. Another flexible option is to right-click directly on the chart for a price alert, or right-click a specific indicator or drawing, like a trend line, and select Add Alert. Doing it this way ties the alert to that object, so the signal is based on that exact line or indicator. In the customization window, begin with Condition. Choose the asset you are watching, then pick the technical condition, such as crossing up, crossing down, or greater than, and set your threshold value. For example, crossing up can notify you the moment price moves above your chosen level, while greater than is useful when you only care that price stays above a specific threshold. Next, set the trigger frequency. Choose once only if you want a single alert the first time the condition is met. This is the most popular choice and helps avoid notification noise. If you need repeated prompts each time the condition happens, select Every Time. Now set the expiration. Pick a time and date for the alert to stop checking. If you prefer an alert that doesn't expire, premium plans allow open-ended alerts. Even with open-ended alerts, it's a good habit to review them periodically to keep your list relevant. Choose your notifications. Select how you want to be notified: email, app push, sound, or webhook. You can use more than one. Push is great for timely mobile updates, sound is useful when you are at the desk, and webhooks can forward alerts to external tools or workflows. Finally, manage everything in the Alerts panel on the right sidebar. From there, you can edit to fine-tune conditions, pause alerts temporarily, or delete ones you no longer need. That's it. Thanks for watching.